How to finalize a video in Premiere Pro? Well, it's pretty simple. To finalize a video, you just have to render. Like after all this editing and all this thing which you have done over here in this video, to just finalize it, just render it out. To render it, just go and export at the top, and from here, choose where you want the video to be, export it from here under location, choose it. From here, name whatever you want this project to be named, and then just under video, make sure it's on 1920 by 1080. It's 60. You can play around with the setting, in whichever format you want, but I like to go with the basic format. Just make sure the name is selected, the location, where it's going to be exported. And for preset, just choose whatever I just chose. Just go to adaptive high bitrate and H.264. Just make sure you choose this. For anything else than that, you can just play around with it, all right? But I will suggest you do not play around with it if you're not expert. And just click on export, and your video will be rendered. Once the render is complete, you can just watch it. Done. That's how we guys can finalize video in Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.